Dear friends, greetings in the name of Lord Jesus Christ. My friends, on behalf of Jacob Community Development Center, I would like to say thanks to all my friends who have supported us and make this possible. For that, we have already support 80 family last week, and now again with friend support and by the grace of God we are able to make food packages for 80 family again. So now we have this blessing. So tomorrow, God willing, we will go and distribute with 4 families, because at this very hard time, when the whole country and the whole world, the very bad disease coronavirus when happened, and because of lockdown many people goes without work because they can't go out from home and can't do work, because many people work as daily wages, so they daily go work and get daily pay and buy food for their family and children. But now with this lockdown, they don't have work because they can't go out from home. So it's getting very bad for these people, for feed their family. It's getting hard. So we are always trying to help those our community members and friends in this very hard time. So friends, please keep us in your prayers and join us with your helping hands, because we don't know how long this problem will happen. We just can pray for that all may get well soon and all will be get normal, so people can go work and can feed their children. So friend, keep us in your prayer and see if you can any help us so we can make another package for another week, not only for 80 family, but try to do more as much as we can. So your prayers and support always blessing and much helpful for us to feed the poor. We just wish that no one would be hungry in this very bad time. Thanks for prayers. Love you all. God bless you. Stay safe. Stay home.